This little white keyboard promises a lot for gamers and office warriors alike, but can it actually deliver on all those promises? Let's dive in and find out. Right off the bat, the design is clean and minimalist, which I personally really appreciate. It's an 87-key layout, which means it's compact and saves desk space. But here's the clever part. It has a function that lets you switch the right side into a number pad. So you get the best of both worlds, a smaller footprint for gaming and the full functionality of a 104-key board when you need it for spreadsheets or data entry. That's a really neat trick. Under the hood, it boasts a professional-grade game chip. And while that sounds a bit buzzwordy, the keyboard does feel incredibly responsive. Typing and gaming inputs are snappy, with no noticeable lag. The linear action switches are a key feature here. If you're not familiar with linear switches, they're smooth from top to bottom with no tactile bump or click sound. This makes them fantastic for fast-paced gaming, where you need to actuate keys quickly and repeatedly. They're also surprisingly quiet, which is a big plus if you share your space or just prefer a less noisy typing experience. For office work, they're also quite comfortable, reducing finger fatigue during long sessions thanks to that smooth, consistent travel. The ergonomic design is another point worth mentioning. The stepped keycap layout is designed to reduce wrist strain, and after using it for a while, I can say it does feel more natural than a flat keyboard. It's not a dramatic curve, but it's a thoughtful touch that makes a difference. Compatibility is also pretty broad. It connects via USB 2 or 3 and supports a wide range of operating systems, from older Windows versions all the way up to macOS and even HarmonyOS. So chances are, if you have a computer, this keyboard will work with it. Overall, this 87-key mechanical keyboard is a surprisingly versatile and capable option. It manages to blend gaming performance with office practicality in a compact and comfortable package. The unique 87-to-1 4-key conversion is a standout feature, and the linear switches offer a smooth and responsive experience for both work and play. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-rich keyboard without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.